Now we explain the subject of industrial engineering and management for BE Mechanical semester 8. The topic is work study. In last two videos we studied about what is mean by work study, method study, time study. What are the reasons to increase the ineffective time or ineffective activities? Why or what are the criteria to select the job? What are the aspects, economic aspect, technical aspect, some management aspect to select this job for work study, and various recording operations or recording symbols. When to do work study, we require time study, and in time study we require motion economy. Motion economy means what are the activities done by worker to do this work or this activity. The workers can be added some non-value-added activities which are actually not required in production, but it can be added. So it can be presented by various symbols, and these symbols are operation symbol. When any change in component or major change in activities, it is operation symbol. Then storage symbol to store the material. Then inspection, when to compare the finished component with standard component, it can be indicated by inspection symbol. Then if there is some delay due to workers, due to machineries, due to organization, the component at the idle position, the workers can be idle position or waiting position, it can be indicated by delay operations. So now we study about what are the recording techniques. So charts, graphs, diagrams, micromotion study, these are the various techniques. In this video we will study about the charts. What is mean by charts? What indicates the charts? The charts are the good recording technique for the work study to remove unnecessary content. So in a chart, it can be indicate the time of activity, type of activity, number of workers, number of machineries involved in activity, then direction of activity. All the description, all complete description are given in a charts. The charts can be divided into operation process chart, flow process chart, and two-handed process chart. First, operation chart. In operation chart, only two activities, inspection and major activities and inspection. These two activities are indicated in operation process chart. The operation process chart are known as a bird eye view chart because it can be gives complete description. In this chart, only two activities, hence only two symbols, that is inspection symbol and activity symbol are included. These activities are connected by arrow. The arrow can be used the direction of flow of activities. In this chart, at the left hand we indicate the time of activity, and at the right hand we indicate the description of activities. If we take example of operation process chart, the first is the inspection, which can be indicated by this rectangle symbol, which required 0.1 minute. Second is the activity, operation, hence indicated by circle. It is a drilling hole activity which required 0.5 minutes. Then inspection, we require inspection of the drilling process or drilling activity. So it required 0.1 for first inspection, 0.1 for second inspection. Then we move to the next operation, that is machining the radius to produce the hole, to produce the radius on the component. It required 0.6 minutes. And last is to sit, means it is a complete the operations and inspected, and then it can be moved for second activity or second machining process. Then second, the flow process chart. In operation process chart, it gives only activities, but it cannot be give the direction of flow of activity. So flow process chart, it can be used the direction of flow of activities. Similar to operation process chart, it can be used the inspection and operations, but it can be used all the five symbols, that is storage, delay, inspection, operation and transportation. So these are the example. These two, it can be give the storage. Here the storage of raw material and here storage of finished components. So take the example, same at the left hand there is an activity time and at the right hand there is a description of activities. So 10 meter, it is the transportation of material from storage to machine. It requires 10 meter. Then loading activity, to load the component on the machine, it requires 2 minutes. Then second, the machining process, it is the actual machining process. After loading, it requires 5 minutes. Then inspection, after any operation we require inspection. So for inspection, the material can be moved to the inspection bench in distance is 12 meter. Then delay, if the inspector is not available at the inspection station due to some reasons, so components can be delay of 15 minutes. Then these are the two combination of two symbols, operation and inspection, because you have considered the operation is one of the inspection is one of the operation activity, means it requires 2 minutes and use the two symbols. Then this component are moved to the storage, hence it can be shown by arrow, and place the component, that is unloading of the component is one of the operations indicated by circle. Then two-handed process chart. The two-handed process chart are used to analysis of motion economy of worker, that is analysis of worker, or what are the engagement of left and right hand of workers during the operations, and it can be give the relationship between when the left hand in working condition, so what are the condition of right hand. So this chart indicated by two charts or two subcharts. It is a left-handed process chart and it is a right-handed process chart. If we consider the example of nut and bolt tightening, so in the left hand there is a bolt and at the right hand there is a nut and they are tightening position. So if this arrow is reach the bolt, means bolt can be taken from the storage. Then grasp this nut, it is the one of the operation. Then to central position, when there is a tightening of nut and bolt, this bolt are at the center position to tighten the nut. Then hold, when left hand it can be carry the bolt, at the right hand there is a nut, but to move the bolt nut to the bolt at center position, it requires some holding operation. Hence it is not a storage operation, it is a holding operation. Then to right hand, when activity of right hand is completed, left hand is completed, then moving to the right hand. Then right hand activities, in right hand activities it can be start to reach to the nut, then grasp to the nut. Grasp is the actually loading activity, hence indicated by operation symbol. Then similar to bolt, the nut at the central position. Then place the nut on the bolt. Then there is a screw out, that is tightening of nut with bolt. Then it can be moved to the storage position and then unloading this nut and bolt at the storage, that is finished component storage, and then return to left hand, and then similar activity of left and right hand is calculated. Due to this, the left and right hand is engaged at the same activity. It can be increase the time of, it can be reduce the activity time and increase the productivity. So in this video we study about the recording techniques, and here main recording techniques are the various charts, and the charts can be useful for activity. It can be indicate all the data, that is time of activity, date of activity, the operator name, number of sequences, and all the charts. At the left hand of chart we can be indicate the time for activity, and at the right hand of chart it can be description of all the activities. So it is a useful tool for recording technique. Thank you.